Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Telegram account. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to delete your Telegram account, go and tap open a web browser, since you cannot delete an account on Telegram directly from the Android or your iOS app. Once you open your web browser, you'll need to open the deactivation page of Telegram. Or you can also go to the search engine and type in delete Telegram and search. From the search result, go and click on the first link. This will take you to my.telegram.org, or you can go and tap on this link, or you can simply go to the search box and type in my.telegram.org and search. From this page, you can see that there is an option to delete account or manage apps. Type in your phone number in the phone number text field along with your country code. Once you do that, tap on the next button. You'll need to enter the confirmation code. Once you receive the code, tap it open and then simply copy the confirmation code that you received. Once you copy the code, go back to the browser and type in the confirmation code into the confirmation code text field. Now, tap on the sign in button, and from this page, select delete account option. In order to delete your account, first go through the information. It says that if you delete your account, all of your messages and contacts will be deleted and you won't be able to retrieve it back. All the groups and channels that you've created will be orphaned and left without a creator. So make sure to only delete your account if you no longer want to use Telegram. If you delete your account, you might not be able to sign up again for several days. Now, go and type in the reason for your deletion and then tap on delete my account. From the pop-up, select yes, delete my account, and your account will be deleted for Telegram. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.